When I started making YouTube videos, I thought I needed a lot of kit. What about cameras, microphones, lighting? But turns out you don't need all that. This camera, I'm in the car now, this camera is actually my mobile phone. The tripod is the phone holder that it sits in when I use it for navigation. Microphone, I'm not using one. I don't need to in the car. I have bought some microphones which I use outside, little remote ones that I clip to the lapel, and I haven't got round to buying a camera. I find these phones are very, very good. I got a tripod, very simple tripod. It can take proper big cameras, but it's fine. I clip the phone in, it's absolutely fine. And I need that for a few static shots I take when I'm maybe filming in the back garden. What else have I got? I've actually got a selfie stick. It's not the most simple one. It also has a tripod built in. So if I'm out and about and I'm filming on using the selfie stick, I can put it down and do static shots with it as well. Stable, so it's much more stable that way. You don't need a lot of kit. Indoors, I don't have any other microphones. My kids have got more kit than I have, and they use it for gaming. I did buy some lighting for a bit of fun, some little pop lights that come in different colours. I haven't even got round to using those yet. I just literally film as I go along. So all you need is your phone. It's the easiest way to get started. I could look at myself when I'm filming here, and I could put it on the tripod, set it up and film it through the rear cameras and get some really good shots if I want to do it that way around. Don't feel you have to go and outlay any money to start with. Film your first ones. I filmed all my videos, and on my other channels I've got maybe 40-50 videos now, all filmed on a mobile phone in all different situations. Hope that encourages you to pick up your phone, make a video, tell us all about whatever your subject is. Post that first video, or second or third, whichever one you're on, and let us know how you're going. It's great to know how other YouTubers are getting on. I'll see you in the next one.